Hey everyone and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to start making our website mobile responsive. So first of all we are going to start creating our header mobile responsive. So first of all let me show you how my website looks right now in mobile. So when you right click on inspect, and this will show how your website looks like on this device. For example, I have selected iPhone X, and so this is how my website looks right now in iPhone X. And you can see some elements looks good, but some elements are not, like this. So first of all we're going to start making our header responsive. So let's get started. When you hover your mouse on edit with Elementor, you can see you have the option of header here. You can simply edit your header from here, or you can simply go to dashboard. Now you can simply go to element kits and here go to header footer. Now here you can select your header and simply click on edit with Elementor. So now you can see this is our header. And here you can see you have the option of responsive mode. For now we are in the desktop view, and here you can set the tablet view and also you can set the mobile view. So we are going to make our website responsive for our mobile. So first of all let me go to desktop, and here you can see in my case there is only two elements, menu and image. So there is no work for this column, so I'm going to delete this column. And now we have two columns, the one with our logo and the one with our menu. So I'm going to decrease the size of this column like this. Okay. And now I'm going to simply update. So now we have two columns, this one and this one. Now let's see how this looks like in responsive mode. And so here you can see we have the option of responsive mode. And when you click on this button, the three options will come up: desktop, tablet and mobile. So I'm going with the mobile for now, and you can see now we have this mobile look. So first of all I'm going to edit the column, and here you can set the column width, and also you can see this icon is changed to mobile. And when I click on tablet, and this icon will change to tablet. You can see, so now I'm going to change this one to mobile, and let me go to edit column, and I'm going to set the column width from here. For example, I'm going to change the width to 40, and now we have this column, and because this width is 40, so I'm going to change this column width to 60. 40 plus 60 is equal to 100%. So now we have 100% width, and now you can see here we have little icon. When I click on this icon, we have our menu. So let's show this icon by changing the color. So right click on edit nav menu. Now go to style, and here you can see you have the option of hamburger. So basically hamburger is called the mobile icon. So here you can change the background type, select the classic and change the background type to white. And now we have our icon visible. And when you click on icon, you can see you have these things right here. And now you can go to content, and here you can change the mobile menu settings. And here you can add the mobile menu logo. And I'm going to select this logo, simply click on insert media. And now you can see we have our logo right here. And I'm going to change the background this style. So I'm going to style. Here you can set the mobile wrapper background, change the color to black. And now we have to change our menu color to white. And now simply go to menu item. And now you can change the text color, this one to white. And when you change this one to, for example, I have changed this one to desktop. And now when I go to edit now, you can see the same color is changed to white automatically. So now let me go to mobile mode again, and now simply click on update, and this header is now showing like this on mobile device. And now when I go to tablet, so this is how our header looks like in tablet. And now let's take a look at our live settings. So you can see how easily we have created our header responsive for our mobile. See you in the next video.